Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby here. This is the pop-up mobile external, that's what it says. It has USB 3, so it should do read write at very fast speeds up to 5 gigabytes depending on your system capabilities. So this is an external DVD player. Ideally it'd be ideal for something like a laptop, something where you're out and about, or if you're like me and you have a big PC but you have no internal DVD players, this might be very useful for you, because I have quite a few DVDs and I've got no way of plugging them into that unless I use one of these. So we're going to be trying this out and see if it works, and not only that, we're going to be trying it out to see if it's region 3. So I have a region 1 and a region 2 DVD. So we're going to be testing that in a bit. But before we do the unboxing, I just want to point some things out. When I look on Amazon, there is a little paragraph in there that says it can record to CD, DVD. But when you have a look at the pictures, like this little baby here, it says write speed, CD minus Rs, writables and rewritables, and read speeds, CDs and DVDs. Doesn't say there that it will write to DVDs, and as far as I know, it will not write to a DVD. It will write to a CD, but not to a DVD. We will try it on a CD, and I will test it to see if it will write to a DVD. But as far as I know, it will not do that. So with that, we'll get it out of the box and see what we get for your money. So I just think they accidentally, or they misworded it. Probably in the translation somewhere they misworded it, because it's from a Chinese company. So it comes with a little manual, and it is a little manual as well. That's it. It says product description and instructions, and basically plug and play. That's all that says, basically, hardly anything. So we're going to give that a miss. This is a little baby here. It says it's portable and slim design, and that's the back end. It looks quite nice. Got a nice little curve to it there. See that? Quite light actually, it's not too heavy. Got a little bit of a weight, but not too heavy. The cord is quite a short cord, so like I said, it's ideal for something like a laptop, something like that, where you're going to have it close to you anyway. And it says open, so you take it, you just pull it like that and it pops it out. So that's all you do to get that out. And that's the length of your lead. What's that, about 5, maybe 6 inches, something like that. So that is it. So if you're going to plug it into something like my computer over there, and you need a longer lead, you're going to have to get yourself an extension. Luckily, I have one. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a couple of DVDs and we're going to test it. Like I said earlier, region 1 and region 2, and see if she works. So I'm going to plug her in first. It should. It works on Windows 10, also works on Mac. It should just recognise it. And there it goes, made its bip bloop. So it's definitely recognised it. I have 2 movies. I will have to turn the sound off because of copyright, and I'm allowed to show you a few seconds of each video. So this one here is Bicentennial Man, Robin Williams, and it's a PAL UK Region 2. So we're going to try that one first. Like I say, it should, in theory, just be plug and play. We will find out. Give it a few seconds to start up. There she goes. Press play, see what happens. Right, so that's working. So like I say, that is, yeah, and that's working fine. So that is region 2. Now this one's a little bit harder to see the region code. I'll try and show you if I can. And where is it? Oh right, it's down there, right down the bottom where my finger is. That says region 1, if you can see it. I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. It's quite small and it's covered over by other stuff. So this is the Fifth Element of Bruce Willis. Put that in, give it a few seconds to start up again. And there you go, so that's starting up. Click on play. Again, we're just going to do a few bits. There you go. So that works. Now what we're going to do, because obviously, you know, we want to test it fully, is try it on a CD. So this is 52 times speed CDs minus R's, and we're going to try these out right now. So I'll put one down there. It's been a long time since I've used CDs. So it'll be interesting to see how we get on with it. Put that into there. Close it up. Give it a few seconds to start up. I've got a CD music list ready, sorry. So I have them now. Right, there you go. So what we're going to do is copy these over, or drag them over actually. Stick them onto my Windows media player and click Start Burn. And that should just basically copy them straight over. Oh, that's it, it's finished. So that's that done. So I can delete these off of my Windows media player now. Remove from list, so that's gone. Close that down. They're all done. In fact, I can delete all them. They're all gone. So that's out of that folder. Right, let's see if she works. Push her back in again. Oh, I need sound. We can have sound on it because this is copyright free. Oh, there's gaps. So there's something about gaps earlier. And yeah, there you go. Just to prove that it is from the CD, we're going to eject it. Put it back in again. Be interesting to see if it starts at the beginning again. Oh, it did start from the beginning again. And there you go. So she works. So it didn't take long actually. It's only what, half a CD, 3/4 of a CD. I won't be able to show you that on the camera, but yeah, I'd say about 3/4 full. I just wanted to see if it worked, that's all. So yeah, so she does work, and yeah. And you can just unplug it. I like the idea of the little cable manager, by the way. So you can just whack it back round there again. Slot that in there, like so. Tidy your cables up, ready for next use. When you go out and about. Got nice little rubber feet on it, these little stickers on, just to take these off. That's quite grippy actually. It's nice and grippy. It's better than I thought it would be. That's very grippy. Yeah, very nice. External ODD and HDD device, what it says. Power supply, DC 5 volts, class 1 laser product, and just a bit of information. So with that, the only downside for me was the slight information where it says you can record on DVD. It clearly doesn't record on DVD. I have tried it on DVD. But I just didn't want to bother showing you in the video because you wouldn't have seen nothing. It was just spinning up and wasn't doing nothing, but I just needed you to know that it doesn't record on DVD. It will play DVD, but it will not record onto DVD. But I thought there's no point in me making a video showing you nothing, showing you not working. I tried loads of different software, I tried different types of DVDs, minus, pluses. It doesn't work on recording onto DVD. It works perfectly well on CD. I only tried the minus CDs, didn't try the pluses because it's only showing on it, it's showing write speed, it's only showing minuses. So write speed to CDR is 24 times and CDR rewritables is 8 times. And read is CD 24, DVDs 8 times. So it will only read from DVDs, will not write to them. Right, so I've had it for a few days now and I've been watching movies on it, whether it be Region 1s or Region 2s, and it's been fine. It doesn't say anywhere that it's Region 3, but this one is Region 3 at the moment. Whether I just got a lucky one, I don't know, but this is Region 3, so I'm very pleased with that. Like I say, I've got Region 1s and I've got Region 2s and they're working fine. Also, my CDs, I've been copying onto CDs with no issues, so I know the copying side of CDs is fine. I've only been using the minus ones, I haven't got any plus ones. It does only say minus ones, so I couldn't really test the plus ones because I haven't got any. But yeah, it's working fine. I quite like the idea they spent a bit of time in designing it. On the back end, they've got a nice little curve. They've got cable management underneath, and it's very grippy. So my final thoughts is, it gives my thumbs up for the amount of money you're paying. I think it's well worth the money. Yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. And I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check this product out. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, not bad, not bad.